How to find your iPad's serial number. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is the solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can find the serial number on your iPad. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now keep in mind that serial number and IMEI numbers are different to each other. Just like IMEI as well, serial number is also unique to each device, so you will not find a similar serial number on each and every device, because this number is also unique. And if you want to locate your serial number of your iPad, well, what you have to do is simply open up the settings app. Once you open up settings, you can see this is how it is going to look like. On the left hand side, what you have to do is simply make sure that you are under the general tab. So on the left hand side, simply switch to general. If it's selected, it is going to be highlighted in blue. Once you select the general tab, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options, and at the very top you have this option which says about. So all you have to do is simply tap on the about button. As soon as you select about, you'll be able to see a list of different options again. If you look closely, you have name, you have software version, you have model name, you have model number, and then you have the serial number. And this number is actually our serial number of our iPad. And keep in mind that this is different to your IMEI number. So if you're trying to find it, if you're getting confused, do not get confused, because IMEI and serial numbers are unique and different to each other. Hopefully this answered your question on how you can find your serial number on your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section, because we try to be responsive to each comment as possible. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.